Hi guys, what's up? The Jay is here. So let's have a closer look and detailed review of this Li-Ning Speed 9 Ultra. Let's go! So guys, before tayo mag-start guys, please guys, pa-subscribe naman po and please smash the notification bell po para at least updated kayo sa mga shoe reviews natin. Alright.
Feel me.
Alright guys, so start tayo guys sa materials na gamit nito guys, This is a mesh materials na covered ng TPU plastic guys, na medyo stiff siya, medyo matigas. So ibig sabihin guys, hindi siya magsi-stretch. This is a very narrow shoes, So for narrow footed, true to size. For wider footer, siguro need to have a size, half size up or one size up. Alright. And also, meron siyang mga butas-butas dito. And dito din. And, yan, for air ventilation. Ayun. And also for the lacing system niya guys, parang pababa. Parang hanggang dito sa baba. Para at least, paghigpit mo dito, higpit talaga yung foot mo dito. Ayan. And also, wala siyang, guys, wala siyang tongue part. O wala siyang tongue, diretso na siya, parang medyas na, and medyo masikip to pag sinuot mo, siguro at first, and eventually luluwag din to. Ayan, ewan ko kung kita nyo yung Achilles kilos niya inside, and also wala siyang masyadong foam. It's because of the materials na gamit, for safety naman siguro, and also for durability ng shoes, so tatagal yung shoes talaga. And for the insole, or midsole na gamit is full length boom na hindi siya naka-cage. Ayan, yung cage na siguro dito lang for lateral support, and dito wala. Ayan, so ramdam mo yung cushioning dito sa heel foot mo, and dito medyo okay lang, kasi yung shoes na to is pang guard, para pang mabibilis ng mga players, yung shooting guards, Right, for cushioning na sobrang lambot yun for the forward, and also for the centers, and also meron siyang support, heel support, and TPU plate dito for heel counter, for torsion plate. May torsion plate siya dito. Ito pala yung heel counter, and also naka-infuse yan lahat, so there's an infused plastic, may plastic dito, TPU plastic, so this is for the support also. Ayan, so hindi siya gagalaw yung foot mo. Ayan, hanggang dito nga lang, hindi mo magalaw kasi hanggang dito siguro yung torsion plate mo, so hindi siya magagalaw. At yung forma niya guys, gusto ko yung yung shape niya. Ayan, ang ganda. And for the design guys, unique yung design niya. Meron din tong ibang color, yung white, red, saka black, kaso lang available ngayon is ito, Christmas ata yung colorway nito, and also the red, yung white, And for the traction in outsole guys, gamit nito is hard rubber, and the groove is deep guys, so malalim siya, so all good for indoor and outdoor, and durability is awesome, good talaga, so tatagal to guys. Pero mostly naman tayo, more on indoor court naman tayo. So, ayan. The performance, yeah, solid ng performance na to guys. Sobrang kapit sa court, no? Even the dusty court, hindi siya masyadong nag-acquired or nagdidikit yung mga dusty. Magdikit man konti, ilang pahid lang yan ulit guys. Solid na ulit yung kapit niya. And guys, no, for orders and inquiries guys, just comment down below and please follow our page or Facebook page, Ragged Sneakers and P2J, no, for inquiries and orders ng shoes, no. And that's it for today guys. P2J is out. Peace.